These mini bar charts are a great way to scan data quickly. However, they are not a native part of Excel. But here's how to create them. So we have some monthly sales data, and we want the in-cell bar charts to go in column C. In C2, let's use the rept function to repeat a string. In this case, it will be the pipe character. So put that between quotation marks in the first argument. In the second, reference the range of values, and then confirm the formula. The pipe symbol repeats the same number of times as its corresponding value. But in order to achieve the bar-like effect, we need to select the range and change the font from the current Aptos Narrow to Stencil. That gives us kinda what we want, but the bars are rather too long at the moment. The solution is to divide the range by a number to make them shorter, and you have full control over this. Say you want the bars to be 1/10 of their current length, divide by 10, but it's very much a trial and error exercise. Pick a higher number for shorter bars and a lower number for longer ones. I will settle with 15. Now, the bars do lack a bit of colour at the moment, so one final thing we'll do is include a sales threshold value on the grid. Then select the bar range, go to the conditional formatting drop-down and click New Rule. Choose the bottom option. For the formula, select B2 and press F4 a couple of times for a relative row reference. Then put the greater than symbol and point to the threshold value. In the format window, pick a font colour. Green is appropriate for this. Click OK, OK, and that will display a green bar for those values that are above 500. We also need a rule for numbers below 500, so go to the conditional formatting drop-down again, but click Manage Rules this time. Select the one just created and hit Duplicate Rule. Then Edit Rule. Replace the greater than symbol with a less than symbol. And change the font colour to red. Confirm all of that. And we now have a set of visually pleasing bars that make it super easy to tell which months exceed the threshold and which ones don't.